Want to make reading fun and easy for kids? Try music. When kids listen to songs repeatedly, they start recognizing words just like they do with their favorite bedtime stories. Seeing the lyrics light up helps them connect sounds to words, almost like they're backing into reading. So I have a couple tips for you. Sing and repeat. Number 1, pick fun, repetitive songs to help kids recognize words faster. Follow the lyrics. Use on-screen lyrics or lyric sheets so they can connect the sounds to the words. And then make it a game. Act out the song or clap on the keywords to make learning interactive. Are you ready to turn up the learning for your kids? Learn to read with music and find more tips. I have some for you. I have a whole program that can help your children with games and music. See you soon. Bye.